Another cold morning. Time to open the shop.
Chirp, chirp. Such a quiet day. Something feels wrong. It's so cold. I can't hold on. So cold. I need warmth. Please. Just a little hot tea. I'm freezing. No money.
No tea! Leave my shop!
I understand. I'll go. Mama.
Long day. Snow's getting worse. Hey, what's that? Oh no. Stay with me. You'll be okay. I've got you. Doctor! Please help her!
High fever. Severe cold.
She needs medicine. It costs money.
I don't have enough? What do I do? This isn't enough. Not even close. I won't let her die, no matter the cost. That shop? It's my only choice. I built this with love, but her life matters more. Are you sure? Please, don't ask. This is everything.
I'll save her. I'll save her. Where am I? Am I alive? Stay strong. You'll survive.
Sparrow? Where is she? For you. She has no more. It's my fault. I killed her. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
He's hurting.
I know.
He feels real pain.
He's paying the price.
I don't deserve this shop. Not after what I did.
I'll take it.
Please. Take care of it.
This is for patience. For life.
Please. Anything. Jerry.
He lost everything.
Sorry, I was wrong.
I forgive you.
Please subscribe.
And like.